up in Connecticut at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Up out of the car for me.
Alright, on today's episode, we are taking the VL to New York and getting ourselves a HSP.
I'll explain it again. It's a plastic packet of goodness. It's chips, chicken salt, lamb and chicken, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, garlic sauce, drizzled all over the top to make the beautiful HSP.
But before we do that, we keep burning things, so I have to give a proper shout out to DEI on their engine heat management stuff. They've got the hose, heat wrap, the gold tape, the silver tape. Don't know how all these work, but I'm sure you'll be able to find out through these guys. I just hit them up, and they're absolute legends for sending me this stuff out. Even thrown in a turbo beanie. I've never been a huge fan of a lot of this stuff, but when you need it, you need it. So we've got it. So thanks DEI. Head to their website and check it out. Oof, there you go. Big dose pipe, she's tight in there. And we got some space exploration wrapping ready to go. Premium. Nice turbo blanket, and I'm pretty happy with that job right there. It took a little while. Danny was happy about it. But there you go, we're ready. Let's go get a HSP.
You better not scare me. I hate this girl.
You're currently watching. I just want to come over here to our graphic designer, Zach, have a quick look at what he's working on. What's this, Zach?
VL Turbo pre-order merch. Get it.
Ooh! Mate, that design is absolutely fire.
Nice little teal accents.
Oof, you heard it here from the graphic designer himself. VL Turbo pre-order t-shirt. Jump on it. Limited run, so if you snooze, you're gonna miss out. So click the link in the description. All of our merch is super high quality. I guarantee you'll be happy with your purchase, so jump on it. Back to your video.
All right, we're on the way to New York City.
I'm so confused.
I like what you see. You know what car it is? They see the big tires up. We're in NYC. Time to find a HSP. There you go. VL NYC is only a small part of it, but still can. Yeah, I have to. Ooh, what's that? Kebab. Oh, it's busy. If it's too busy, it might be hard. We'll have to ask. Oh, what happened?
It's just a bit more like a restaurant.
Yeah, so it wasn't
like
that.
Typical.
Didn't seem like they had the right stuff. I mean, kind of. I have a
they
feeling.
do.
Hopefully, I'm going to struggle to find barbecue sauce. They call it brown sauce here for some reason. So this place wasn't the right one. So we'll keep hunting. keep hunting. The next one. The VL might get towed away, but we gotta run all that. This one's got more room. Alright, so we'll see if these guys pull us to film, get the rundown, and then we'll try and make our order. Have you heard of a HSP?
Oh, what? They got it.
Basically mix chicken and lamb on top of fries.
Do you reckon you're up to it? You can make a HSP?
It's called a HSP. You have to try some. If you like it, you'll get on the menu. barbecue. Go barbecue over the top. And then the same on the hot sauce with the sriracha. That's alright. That'll do. Sorry? Is there rice?
You can do it now.
So it's chips on the bottom and then the meat on top.
Yeah, the chips on the top.
Okay. Oh. We're gonna have to redo it. Thank you. You try it. So we tried.
We tried.
It was very close. You said he agreed to it.
Yeah, he agreed, but he didn't follow through.
Didn't follow through. I think the guy taking the instructions didn't take them very well, and then the guy.
Maybe he was offended.
Maybe you eat what I make.
Maybe he's offended.
It's possible. It's a possibility.
So what have we got?
So what do we got?
We've got
So we got rice.
a bit of rice.
Better rice. So we're gonna have to change it up a little bit.
Yeah. Got some sort of garlic sauce.
Yeah, it looks like a really nice sauce. What is it? Still like a mayo?
It's like it's got dill in it.
Yeah. It looks nice.
Yeah, it's just not garlic sauce.
It's like the herbed mayo from grilled.
Oh, true.
I've actually got HSP on rice before, so
What?
it's not the worst. I've done it before. at
What,
home.
in Melbourne?
Yeah, when I was feeling like I wanted to be healthy.
Oh.
And we got the free salsa to some degree, so we're almost there.
Does that mean we have to go to another place? I'm really keen to check this out.
We're looking pretty good. I'm gonna borrow your hot sauce barbecue and your salad.
Let him cook now! I said let him cook!
Alright.
There you have it. The first ever HSP in America.
You have been a phenomenal, relentless competitor. Be my next head chef. You've been a joy to be around, and you've put smiles on all of our faces.
Good HSP, solid.
Solid?
It's a fix, the HSP fix. So everyone wants it, everyone's seeing it. They're like, oh, look at that. Ready? Just gonna look at it. Louder.
It's not a HSP.
Oh, I think we'll conclude the HSP stash and there. Alright. New York sounds, police sirens, HS Pizzle done. Next we figured dessert. A good move would be the New York cheesecake. So there's a place with 9,900 reviews. Cheesecake was their first photo, so it's got to be a good one. So we'll give that a go, huh? There she is. Alright, let's get this camera back on. Cruise to Caicus. Alright, I have to remove the sensor again to get the spoolie noises back for cruising, so she sounds kang. You have to. This is actually pretty light traffic for New York. Got the taxis, they usually cut your ass off last second. Gotta be ready for it.
I think we're coming up to Central Park anyway.
Oh, yeah. Go Central Park.
Keep missing all the cars.
Cruising VL Tee Turbo through New York. And you get some toasters.
I feel like a lot of people just don't care.
No. Oh, we got the train.
Where?
And the roads are horrible. Not.
Is that the Trump Tower?
It's yeah. So if we get 20,000 likes on the video, I'll just burn out in front of the Trump Tower. Easy convince. Got the drain smoke, Ninja Turtle smokes. NYPD,
They don't get them.
drive-by.
My registration, sure. You know why you put me pulled over, sir? Okay. You placed it properly displayed and unsafe windshield over. You have allowed exhaust.
I walked over and they said that I needed to go away from the car. I have to be 10 feet because he's been stopped by the police. He's a criminal. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do?
I'm in Connecticut at the moment.
Oh, okay. Nice. So you know what you're gonna do right now?
What's up?
We're gonna properly put the license plate on the exterior of the vehicle, all right?
Yeah, no worries.
You can't see it, so
My bad.
I'm just gonna keep getting started.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
That's the point.
Is it safe? Can I come back over?
So I gotta display my plate properly.
Pardon? Australia? Australia. Yeah. Yeah. What did they say?
I just checked my details for my special plate that I can't show on camera. It's a transportation plate. I just said, if you're here for work, using the wrong side of the
They
road.
were so confused, and they were also looking up your socials because I saw the first one of the three guys. He like looked at the back sticker,
Yeah.
and he was like, he went straight to his phone and was like looking.
They just said display the plate properly.
That was
Your
it.
exhaust is loud. Check me license and registration. Well, that's it.
And did you realise we're right in front of the Trump Tower? So you basically did a burnout in front of it.
Almost. If I dumped
Idiot.
that ass, if I could a little bit more boost, would have been good. But probably would have got impounded. Probably wouldn't have been a very good time. Probably wouldn't have been cheap to get it out either. But the only thing I was worried at the end, like they didn't seem to be dicks, but if they wanted to power trip, then impound the car. And I didn't even have to get my my free pass out. Well, they were nice anyway.
Nah.
They were all chill.
That was so weird about me coming over to the
I
car.
think there's just rules because they didn't want me to get out either. Normally
yeah,
back
yeah,
home
I
I
saw
get
you
out of
going
the
to
car
get out,
straight away.
yeah.
They're like, stay in the vehicle. So, Alright,
Alright.
let's get back to our dessert and let's close out this video.
Where is he?
5.7?
It's actually RB30, straight 6,
Okay.
3 litre,
So I know you push at least a little 800. 7?
850.
No, I was close. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like to see. Keep doing your thing.
So he's come back.
Ooh, what can you smell? Oh, it's back. You don't even stickers, do you?
Now, I'm doing extra Uber so I can finish my Turbo H22.
Nice.
I did 627.
Damn.
So I'm trying to see if I can get lower or 600 dot this year.
Not bad,
Hopefully,
not bad.
man.
Very nice.
I'm trying to go crazy. Honda Day was a fail for me. I couldn't make it. Car was giving me issues. Didn't want to start. Wasn't engaging boost. Had problem with the boost gauge. Put a bigger boost gauge. Changed the housing of the boost. And I'm still going through it. Now I'm going through injectors. We upgrading the fuel pump. And you know the list goes on. I don't gotta tell you.
What's your name?
Raymond.
Jason.
Felicia.
Nice to meet you.
That's it, man.
And we're in the worst spot, busiest part of New York. Really. Not far from Times Square, I don't think, are we? We made it to our New York cheesecake kangaroo place. Better be bloody good because we're going to close out the video on this. So it better be premium. This place is gangster. Every cheesecake known to man. Gassy would be in ham. What's the most popular?
Most popular is plain or strawberry.
Yeah. You have to. Thank you. Plain Jane and raspberry, good combo. 9,000 reviews, almost 10,000.
Pretty good.
Creamy as well. Okay.
Yeah, creamy but powdery.
It's amazing.
Alright,
really good.
give me some of that one. I think the plain one's better. It's still got a powdery texture to it. Anyway.
It's quite thick.
Anyway.
Cherry? Yeah. It's like a Macca's.
Is it really?
It's a bit nicer. You try.
Like a thick shake. Oh. Pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
It's definitely better than that.
I'm sure it is. We're gonna finish our date.
Another working day.
You have to film it. Everyone wants to see. I want to be part of our journey. I'll see if anything happens on the way home. See you back at the car. Alright, here we are. Back to the car. So we'll head down Times Square just to get the Kang shot, cruising down, and that's about it. We'll see if anything happens on the way home, but hopefully not. Hopefully it's smooth sailing. So I'll throw in the close out now, just because it's easier. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smack that like and subscribe. It was an eventful one. HSP in New York, baby. See you next time.
Don't forget, pre-order on these Gangster VL Turbo tees. You could be rocking one. Hopefully we see you wear it at an event soon. So click the link, don't miss out.
He's been stopped by the police. What are they gonna do?
I'm in Connecticut.
Can I come back over? What did they say?
I just checked my details.
They were so confused.